So now we are going to make the pista praline strawberry tart. The components here are the pista praline paste that was made. I've filled that in the piping bag and that is ready. And then the strawberry compote that was made is also filled in a piping bag, and then the cream diplomat to top the both. So the first layer is going to be the praline paste, and then the second layer is going to be strawberry compote, and then the third layer to top is going to be cream diplomat. Okay, so these shells are coated with white chocolate and that's set and dry. Now I'm just going to snip off the pista praline paste in the piping bag. I'm going to add one layer, so one layer of pista praline is added to make the opening a little bigger. It's going to have the chunks of the fruit come out as well, so give space for that. So I'm just going to use a spoon to level it and spread it out. I'm just going to snip off the piping bag with cream diplomat. So I'm just going to pipe in So I'm done with piping the cream diplomat, and we just need to garnish these. We know that is strawberry inside, so I'm just going to place a couple of slices of the strawberries. An addition of mint leaves for a little bit of green will also be good, and some slivered pistachios to just represent that these are the flavors that we have added inside. Okay, so the pista praline paste and the strawberry tart is just come to an end. We have beautifully finished having the tart base nicely baked up front, made the pista praline paste and strawberry compote, cream diplomat. We've coated the tart with white chocolate, and a very thin layer is what is needed. You coat it with too much white chocolate, then it is going to taste all white chocolate. We don't want, we just want the flavors from the pista praline paste, the strawberry compote, and a plain nice vanilla cream diplomat on the top, complementing with a really crisp tart base coming out together in every scoop is going to be really delicious. And that we have the end of the tart lesson.